Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here basically we are discussing on the topic that is city creation. City creation basically we are discussing on the topic that is account creation. In account creation, basically we have taken one example, and in this that example basically it was nuclear weapon basically when it basically get used. So one of the person told that basically how chain was generated. According to that only basically you have to break the chain. Few power company group experts basically told that basically according to the chain generated, according to that only basically the break also basically will happen, then only basically you can break the chain. For example, I will take one example. I started my career in software industry. I joined this institute, then basically I connected with few people, then basically I joined that institute, I connected with that people basically, then basically I joined that company. There few people basically connected, then again basically I joined that company, another company, then basically few chain connected, then basically again basically few connected, again connected, like this basically chain got connected, right? Basically, so one of the person told that we will break to break this chain basically we will finish relationship. Assume that basically I have AIDS, I basically really don't have AIDS, just taking as an example. Due to that basically Sri Krishna basically God basically got affected. So now basically chain got generated. This was the chain of the sequence. Like this basically the each entire chain basically got generated. This was basically idea given by one of the power company, and he was basically from China. Taking as an example, basically really I don't have AIDS. Just taking as an example, basically what actually the topic is. What is actually nuclear bomb? In this basically software company, human resource group basically know everything. That's why basically still they are basically working at home basically, because they know that anytime missile basically decisions basically suddenly decisions basically taken, na basically decisions basically are taken suddenly basically. They will say that basically our chain is not getting breaking, start nuclear in India land, and India land means which will be that country, that will be China and Pakistan. These two country only basically is going to dump a nuclear bomb basically. So few people tell that basically to for secure basically they keeps Pakistani and Bangladeshi's family basically in, and few Chinese family are also basically there in India, and in Parliament House basically see the Rajasai family plan basically, see to secure the India land basically up to what level basically they have done the plan. So they thought that basically we will keep India and Pakistani, Bangladeshi and Chinese people in Parliament House, and they will basically let they only handle, because if they will handle basically then it would be good. So they thought that basically it would be good. So basically it will be very big, and they basically started their family also. There are many Rohingya Muslims basically already shifted to India, and that are basically more than 1 crore. So like this basically the family has also shifted. So it will be the very rare situation that nuclear bomb basically is going to be dumped in India. Very rare basically, but last option will be the nuclear bomb only. So one of the person told that how what is the God situation in universe basically, how Earth planet basically gets the information that God is family facing problem basically due to AIDS infection. As if that basically I am Sri Krishna God Bhakt and I basically got AIDS. Just taking as an example basically, because it's going to affect basically, because each and every people in this world basically are connected. That's why basically few people dies. So one of the person told that chain basically is the thing basically. So one of the person told that uh, like this basically chain got connected and the effect basically got effected. Few people told that basically we basically don't want to in this basically, so we will finish the relationship. So relationship is finished, but chain was there basically. So few people told that basically the people who basically had the relationship with Sunil R. Nair basically, they have done one plan basically, because everything is one chain basically, one group basically. So they told that basically काम करेंगे because he is creating problem to us also. So his next generation basically might create problem to us also. In really basically I don't have AIDS basically. Just taking as an example how the basically chain has generated by the set of groups and how basically they are going to break the chain. So they told that एक काम करेंगे basically, his generation basically is creating problem. His generation is basically creating problem to us. So we will do one thing. We will end his generation only basically. So few people told that basically, we basically can't take a risk basically because it might possible that something basically will happen. So few people basically, do you know what they have done? They have stored the Sunil R. Nair sperm basically. How they basically have taken that basically I don't know. Just taking as an example, just real example basically I am taking. So they basically first collected the sperm of Sunil R. Nair basically, and they basically stored in some sperm company basically. And after that basically they have done the Nasbandi of Sunil R. Nair. Because the group chain basically, that is the power chain basically which was generated, the relationship chain basically, they told that basically he is creating lots of problem to us. So we will end his generation only. So like this basically they ended the generation through Nasbandi basically. For that basically they have planned one marriage. So everything basically dumped to in the name of marriage. So one of the person told that in Ram Mandir Mudda basically, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and Madhya Pradesh are the three states basically which are the latest what to say basically the in political language basically it is called as a Mudda basically. But this has created it's actually a religious thing basically, but it has converted into Mudda basically. Mudda, business, everything basically connected into this basically. So like this one of the person told that as the relationship basically was created basically, the relationship also has to be end, because they have to end in this basically. Nuclear weapon is the only solution, because the generation, because the chain has generated up to universe basically. So they told that basically we will first collect basically how basically the relationship was started with the software company. So few people are very smart basically. They say that basically the group basically who actually started the career basically, they only ends. That type of basically we have to do. So that group only basically will do this basically. So like this basically they basically break the relationship with that group. Then also basically chain was not chain was not broken. Like this basically they generated a chain with that group. That break chain, this break, this break, this break. Like this basically they told that basically we have breaked the chain. So this chain basically, what is the thing basically? That is one nuclear basically. As the chain is getting break, nuclear basically attacks. To few people basically say that basically we want to end the relationship with Sunil. So few people say that basically we have taken this money, that money, like this basically we had ended the money relationship. Few people says that basically we had done his marriage, and in this marriage basically we have give the proof to government also that basically we have done the plan of marriage, and we have basically planned his HIV AIDS, and then basically Nasbandi. Like this basically they have given written in government also. So government will say that yes basically they have ended the relation. Few people told that basically we will do one thing. It might basically create problem in other side also basically. So we will do one thing. If you will create problem basically, so we will give him some disease also basically. In disease basically we will give that type of disease that periodically he takes the medicine. So that medicine basically name we have, and we will attack that medicine only basically. For that basically we have to take the entire control of entire city basically. So for that few people told that basically we have purchased the entire city also. So like this basically they have taken the control also. So like this, see the basic, this actually is one my story basically. So like same way basically the corona chain basically which has generated, to break that chain basically like this only basically you can break the chain. For that I will take one example. Assume that basically Sunil R. Nair stayed in Mumbai. He basically got generated few chains basically. He got few jobs, he basically earned money, he basically had a few relationship with few people, then basically he basically eaten water, sorry not eaten water basically, drinked water, and then basically he had lots of foods from Mumbai, this that basically January. Then he basically went to sea beach also, then basically he went to Haji Ali Dargah also, went to Siddhivinayak Mandir also, then basically connected these people, that people. Then he basically went to Mumra, no basically Mumra Devi went to temple basically I have not went. Then basically I have and Sunil went to Thane, this that basically saw a few girls, this basically this that basically each and everything basically generated one story. Generated one story. Here basically story was Sunil R. Nair basically is supposed to end. That was the target of one group. So they basically planned it, and they basically done the marriage of Sunil R. Nair, and he basically connected with AIDS. And that time basically he was very power. He was basically doing lots of fasting of Hanumanji, Sri Ram, Sri Krishna Bhagwan. Like this basically he was very big bhakt basically. He was basically connected with lots of God basically. Like that basically you can say. God energy chain basically. So few people told that basically God temple also basically has broken the relationship with Sunil R. Nair basically. Because they told that basically it might possible that our temper also basically will get effect. Just taking as an example, basically really it's not the here basically I am explaining that what actually nuclear is. Now basically in Mumbai basically this all energy basically generated, and it connect, the energy company basically collected the energy. They collect energy of each and every people. They collected the energy, and they basically created 15 cities from that energy. They created 15 cities from that energy. Just taking as an example basically what actually corona is and how basically it's connected. Like this basically from that relationship or from the story of Mumbai city, they basically created 15 cities. Like this basically each and every area's relationship, like this basically the few cities were created, and that basically the chain got generated. This relation, that relation, this relation, that relation, and chain generated. As the relationship was getting end, Mumbai basically I visited Mumbai for 4 to 5 times, but I have not got the job. So Mumbai relationship basically ended, and here basically 15 city who was invested in basically they were Mumbai city in businessmen. Assume basically. So they will not basically end the 15 cities so soon basically. They will trying basically, keeps trying for maintaining the relationship basically. Because on the base of relationship that 15 city exist. At last basically few people told that basically अरे यार that Sunil R. Nair basically got HIV/AIDS from Mumbai relationship, and he basically was done Nazbandi also. Just taking as an example, basically, really it has not done. And this everything basically done basically when after 15 city created. So few people told that basically how basically people get jealous basically because that 15 city was created on the base of Sunil R. Nair group's energy. Due to that basically few people got jealous and they planned this marriage, and in that marriage basically they given HIV/AIDS and Nazbandi also. So now basically what happened? Now basically they have already fired basically Sunil R. Nair by giving AIDS and Nazbandi. So that 15 city basically has to end at any cost. Why? Because you can't revert Nazbandi which is done, and you can't revert AIDS which is already done. So few people told that basically they want to end the relationship. That's why basically they have done this Nazbandi and AIDS. In this basically they have given proof to government also basically by written basically that we all are involved in this basically. And this everything is done basically. Here basically I'm just taking as an example. Really basically this has not happened anything. Really basically I don't have Nazbandi and I don't have AIDS also. So now basically the group basically who are into this, they told that basically there is no relationship with Sunil and Mumbai. So we will end that 15 cities which was created on the base of the entire relationship energy. They basically tried a lot. That basically the management group will, because they have invested 15 cities and 15 cities, one city creation basically took 25 lakh to 35 lakh crore. So 25 lakh to 35 lakh crore multiplied by 15 cities. And here basically those group also basically were involved in this basically city, and that was basically, for example, one HDFC bank is there basically and HSBC bank who actually got this contract to create these 15 cities. But in this basically ICICI bank basically has not this got contract. They basically have not got the contract. So in this basically ICICI bank basically also joined that group basically who were into AIDS, giving AIDS and giving Nazbandi disease. So one of the person told that yeah, this actually is the chain generation basically. And to break this chain basically you should know how the chain was generated. For that basically you should know the exact real story of that particular corona disease, that how basically exactly that's why basically few people basically purchased Twitter also, few people purchased Facebook also. That's why LinkedIn is also created. Otherwise basically the portal is there basically. Why basically this all created basically? So few people told that as in that chain basically which is created, that is connected directly to the India basically. First outside chain basically they are going to break, then also chain is not getting break, then basically they are going to break the India chain basically, and that for that basically they are going to use Pakistan and in China and Bangladesh. And in this basically because Bangladesh also basically lots of anti-Indian people basically are there, they have already, that means basically the planning is already ongoing basically, that in future if chain is not getting break, then last will be the India. And few people say that basically in India lots of states also can end in this nuclear war. There are more than 39 states, so few states also basically can end. So few people tells that basically this everything basically they know, so they created states. Previously there was only 20 states, now basically it is 39 states. So few people tells that basically government plans up to very depth level basically. So they created 39 states basically, because in future basically if something basically will happen, then basically few states basically will end basically. For that basically they already created 39 states. So this is actually what basically just now basically we discussed here. That is actually one chain, and to break the chain, exactly you should know how the chain was generated. And here the main thing is how basically chain got generated. That is the main thing. How the chain got generated and how you are going to break the chain basically. And to break the chain basically you have to first end the physical place. For example, Sunil and Nair basically relationship has to be end from Mumbai. So first they will be going to end the 15 cities, and then basically the relationship will automatically get end. But management group basically know everything, so they will not end the city so easy. But chain is not getting end. They want to break the relationship only at any cost basically. Then basically because you can't control the human basically. For example, one person basically want to break the relationship with Sunil Nair, so he basically done lots of bad with him basically. He basically done up to that level basically that his from back basically he got blood also basically, because they want to break the relationship. So after coming blood basically from back basically anybody will keep the relationship. So like this basically few people told that basically we have basically done lots of things basically to him basically. We basically given poison to his tiffin, then basically we have given poison to his food basically, what is the food basically is going to eat. Then basically in tiffin also basically we have dumped lots of tiffin poison basically when he was having the tiffin in company. When he was going to eat some pani puri or basically something bragada petis, that time basically he was having giving him some poison. When he was eating some Chinese basically, that time basically also we had dumped a few poison to his body. Few people told that basically when he was sleeping basically, that time basically we have injected lots of things. Few people told that basically we had done basically extreme level basically we have given him AIDS only basically. For that basically we have selected one girl, and that girl basically was AIDS, and we basically given him AIDS only through the perfect plan, that was marriage. And after that basically they thought that basically if then also basically relationship will not end, then basically we will give him Nasbandi also. So extreme level basically they have given him Nasbandi also. So this is actually what actually one person told that this story basically says what actually one person will listen this na basically, then also he will say that yaar basically yaar what should I do, what should I do basically, like this he will say. He basically can't watch this full video also basically after telling this story basically. He will say that basically we will close this video basically. So one of the person told that chain generation happened, chain break happened basically. Chain generation happened, chain break happened. One person told that there are basically 100 planets in universe. Their chain has generated on the base of certain level of stories, but they want to break the chain also basically. For that also basically they created few planets. So whenever they want to break that planets basically chain, they immediately connects this to that planets basically, and that planets basically are connected with set of stories which are basically to finish the relationship. That is the finish this chain basically. So you can just imagine basically, I am not telling you basically, it's very dangerous. This topic is very dangerous basically. It's connecting to up to this level basically. So few people say that living peace basically that is good basically. One person told that living peace basically is very, very good. So one person told that one example basically. Assume that basically that is my person basically, myself basically. I basically went to Bangalore city. I basically got one job basically, and there basically few people basically harassed me basically. They told that basically he's not supposed to grow too much basically. So they basically started giving poison in food. Whenever basically he was drinking in water basically, they were dumping some poison in water basically, so that basically he will get chikungunya disease. Few people told that basically whenever he was eating potato basically, or basically whenever he is going to restaurant basically, that time basically they have dumped some chikungunya disease in that basically, chikungunya poison basically. So you can just imagine Karnataka group basically have chikungunya poison also basically. In this world basically anybody have this basically? They have that basically. They have that basically. So they told that basically why they have? Because they are Sanskrit group basically. They are basically Sanskrit group basically. So that basically we are not going up to that level, Sanskrit group basically. So here basically they told that like this change got generated, like this basically then basically they try to kill him many times. Then basically they given him back blood so when he was doing the stools basically from back, that time basically the blood was also coming. Like this basically they given lots of trouble to one person basically. So this is also one chain. Then basically his few friends basically got this information. For example, my friends basically got the information and they started collecting the data from some group basically, that who actually was involved in this basically. Then they basically collected few data. So that was one chain basically. So here basically one chain was myself chain basically, who get lots of trouble, then also basically not told anything, and that chain generated. Another chain was the who basically given poison to me, this, that basically chain everything. Third chain was basically who basically told that basically yes basically we will do something, who actually done this everything basically. So this was chain basically. So on the base of this basically what happened basically? 3 to 4 relationship has done basically. 3 to 4 relationship has done. This is one relation. Another relationship was Sunilar Nair relation basically. Due to that basically 15 cities got created, and in that 15 city creation basically which was happened basically, that connected to few planets also basically. But immediately basically they don't create planets, because this type of thing basically happens. Relationship also basically gets end. So they basically waits. But here basically like this story got generated, and one of the person told that nuclear is connected up to very dangerous level basically. So this was basically the story of nuclear basically, and this is very dangerous story. So one of the person told that if you want to break the relationship, if you want to break the chain of the nuclear, you should know the entire nuclear thing basically. So one of the person told that universe nuclear basically, universe chain basically, that few people only know that basically, that this is the nuclear of universe, this is the nuclear of universe, this is the story of cities, this is the story of cities. So one person told that Sunil Nair basically is not getting the job. So that is one chain. One chain is the group basically who are telling that basically we will not give him job. That is one chain. Another chain is basically few people is telling that basically we will try to give Sunil Nair job. That is one chain. Few people are basically unknown basically, who basically say who basically don't know Sunil Nair, but they are basically helping and not helping area. So how many chain generated? 1, 2, 3, 4 chain, and fifth basically is my chain basically. 5 chain generated. How many chain? 5 chain. So one of the person told that to do the nuclear attack basically, वन ऑफ द पर्सन टोल्ड यहाँ पे एक न्यूक्लियर बम डाल देते, वहाँ पे एक न्यूक्लियर बम डाल देते, बट यू शुड नो ना बेसिकली वेयर एग्जैक्टली द न्यूक्लियर बम यू हैव टू डंप. So for that basically you should study basically how corona disease generated. So for that one of the people told that basically for that basically we have to pick the news agencies basically, because they keeps on watching basically what people are doing. And few people tell that basically the nuclear energy company na basically they keeps whatever thing basically the people are doing. For example, I am having this cap basically I had. So while having this video basically I had this cap na basically, that up to that level basically they will generate the chain basically, they will generate the energy that Sunil R. Nair basically had this cap at this time basically when he was giving the presentation in this video basically. So for that basically they collected the data from them also basically, that is the nuclear company. So few people told that basically few people basically are very bad basically, they finish that nuclear company only basically. So that basically from where basically will collect the nuclear, sorry, the energies basically, that is the stories basically. So that's why basically few people tells that basically each and every satellite companies are basically connected with each and every nuclear company. So if nuclear company basically will land that they have the data basically, so you can just imagine up to what level the things are connected. Because universe group basically will be, earth planet group will be earth planet universe group will be responsible for entire universe, entire universe something basically will happen basically, the earth planet universe will be responsible. So for that basically they keeps on backing basically, they keeps on taking the data. So you can just imagine basically. So in next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about what actually the nuclear is, how the nuclear created, how the story is created, how the story is converted into finished relationship, and how to finish the relationship and to finish the relationship chain basically, what are the things basically done. And currently basically the best example is nuclear, Russia and Ukrainian war basically, in that basically many countries basically are ongoing basically. So this all are basically nuclear only basically. So in next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about the nuclear things.